Welcome to the quick overview of the main workflow in KnowStack. Once you are logged into your dashboard, you will be presented with this data collection tab where you can see that you can input a website and crawl all the data from the pages on that website. So if you have a website that you already use, you can do so. Then you can see that we can connect an email account or email accounts. And once you do that, you can fetch the emails from those email accounts based on the date range, whether it's last month, last 3 months, 6 months, or a whole year. And all the emails from that date range from that particular email account will be fetched and prepared for further knowledge base generation. Same idea goes to the rest of the tabs in the data collection tab, like documents and meetings, where you can upload your documents or meeting recordings for it to be prepared for knowledge base generation, and Telegram and Slack accounts where you can select the chats you would like to be included as well. Next tab is content generation, where you can select the data that you would like to be included in that particular knowledge base generation. You can name your knowledge base here, choose the output language of the knowledge base, and turn on or turn off the sections that we have by default, or create custom sections that you can set up as well. Once you're ready, just press generate knowledge base and the process will start. So what's happening here is that all that data that we have collected and prepared earlier is being passed on to AI, which in turn is generating knowledge base according to the sections that you have selected or the sections that you have created manually. Once that's done, you can view your knowledge base, which will open itself in a knowledge base editor, which is a fully functional knowledge base editor. And you can see on the left side, we have the sections and the AI has done its job analyzing our data from all of those data sources. The Ask AI functionality allows users to ask questions in a natural language format and get quick answers with sources quoted below. These answers, of course, come scoped by your knowledge base that is currently loaded in your knowledge base editor. You can create custom sections manually. You can create custom subsections. You can rearrange them, delete them, rename them, everything that a fully fledged editor would offer.